Hey folks, Ryan Gunness here, and this video is a quick demo of the process. So we have a lot of people asking, hey, okay, I get the instant pay raise, this kind of makes sense, but like what would I be doing if I was to get involved with a home business? All right, so let me give you a quick flow of it here. Basically, we have a little 5-step process. There's a little video that explains how to use this, but step 1 is to get an instant pay raise. And an instant pay raise is just a fancy way of saying to take advantage of the tax benefits of having a home-based business. So, you would go through step 1 to see the little calculator. Step 2 is how our experts will help you set that up properly. Step 3 is to get access to the experts. And then step 4 is to set up the home business that we recommend. And we have bullet points that explains everything that you'll be getting. But this is the one that people have been asking. Well, okay, what would I be doing in step 5? So we have a marketing system that you get access for free, assuming that you go through all these steps and you set everything up, you'll get the marketing system for free. Now, the marketing system is based on a copy and paste strategy. So I'll give you a little example of it here. I'm in a demo account here. Pretty much every day you'll be able to come in. There's little daily actions that you just simply select, copy, paste, okay, and you follow our instructions. We have, different trainings for getting started fast, something called like a 5-day blitz. We have way that you can find people online, whether it's professionals or other people that's in network marketing, home-based businesses. Everything is all laid out, all your links to promote, follow up, all those different, if you look at all the tabs up here, all these tabs here are trainings, and each tab has a little video that explains how to use the page, okay, follow up, how you answer questions and things of that nature. So it's basically copy and paste for everything. All right, and what will happen is after you go ahead and you do all these steps and you get access to the marketing system, you will have a back office with more training and ways that you can keep everything organized. And in that back office, you'll be able to get access to what we call the ABC app, so that you can download it and save it to all your devices. So whether it's a cell phone you use, a tablet, a laptop, desktop, anything that you use that has access to the internet, you'll be able to save it for easy access. All right, so with that said, if you haven't already, or if you haven't gone through all the steps, go ahead and click on the link below this video so you can go through these 5 steps and we can see you on the inside. Ciao for now.